Any questions on that? I hope this is making sense to everyone. The next one we're going to do is a polynomial long division. So, all right. Any questions though? Okay. So here's a long division. You can't use synthetic division here, right? We have our f of x, which is this polynomial. We want, okay, to divide this by x squared plus 4. We want to divide it by x squared plus 4. Okay, that's good. So remember, you want to use 0 as placeholder. So notice that f of x is a degree 5 polynomial. So we're going to have x to the 5th plus 0x to the 4, right? Plus 8x cubed plus 0x squared, right? There's no x squared term here, so we put it in. Minus 6 times x plus 9. Okay. That's what we have here. And also for the divisor, x squared, there's no x term, we put that in, 0 times x plus 4. That's what we get here. Okay, okay, good, good. So then we have, just like in long division of numbers, right? Real number long division, that's better. We have this set up. And what do? Well, again, we have to divide the leading term of the dividend by the leading term of the divisor. So we have x to the 5th divided by x squared. We get x cubed. Okay, that's good. So we put this quotient, x cubed, over its like term of the dividend, right? So the dividend has 8x cubed in it. So that the x cubed goes over that because these are like terms. Then you're going to multiply x cubed by the whole thing here, right? And you're going to subtract that product. The product is x to the 5th, 0x to the 4th, 4x cubed. And we're going to subtract that. How do you subtract it? Well, you could distribute the minus. That's what I do. And then combine. X to the 5th minus x to the 5th, that's going to become 0. X to the 5th, you know, just 0. Here, x, I didn't mention this, but x cubed times 0x here, sorry, x cubed times 0x, that's 0x to the 4. I mean, I know technically it's 0, but just to keep things consistent, I wrote 0x to the 4. But if you subtract it, it's still, but when you do 0x to the 4 minus 0x to the 4, it's gone. 8x cubed minus 4x cubed, that's 4x cubed. And of course, the next term, 0x squared, we bring down. Then we have 4, then we keep on going. And why is that? The degree of the difference is bigger than the degree of the divisor. You only stop when your difference here is either 0 or its degree is less than the degree of the divisor. And we don't have either of those, so we have to keep going. So 4x cubed divided by x squared, well, that's 4 times x. We put that over its like term of the dividend, which is minus 6x, over that. So we have 0x squared here, as you can see. We put that in as a placeholder. Now we take the 4x and multiply. Okay? And then we subtract. So 4x times this product, 4x times x squared, 4x cubed, 4x times 0x, 0x squared, 4x times 4 is 16x. Then we subtract it. Again, we distribute that minus sign. So we have minus 4x cubed, minus 0x squared, minus 16x. And then we would combine. Now here we're gonna, let's see, we're gonna have to stop here because we're running out of time. I'll finish this example next time. Just notice over here that we had to bring down the remaining terms and combine them. So